Hi everybody, and welcome to another dance tutorial of Starseed School of Dance. Today we're going to share with you how to dance the open basic movement in Cha-Cha-Cha and some tips for technique improvement. Enjoy! Actions used. Preparation step. Checked forward walk. Weight transfer in place. Cha-Cha-Cha lock left, right, left, backward. Backward walk. Weight transfer in place. Cha-Cha-Cha lock right, left, right, forward. Foot position. Preparation step. Left foot forward, toe turned out. Right foot in place. Left foot back. Right foot crossed in front of left foot. Left foot back. Right foot back. Left foot in place. Right foot forward. Left foot crossed behind right foot. Right foot forward. Footwork. Ball flat, toe. Ball flat, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat, toe, ball flat. Timing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 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 Open basic with 3 cha-cha-chas. The timing is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Partnering skills. The open basic is danced in an open position with mainly left to right hand hold, although a variety of hand holds can be applied too. In the lock steps, we will use the same shoulder leading, which means when we move forward with our right leg, our right side is projected. The cable shouldn't be completely parallel, but stand with right to right side. Maintain your posture, the position, and the foot technique. And don't forget straightening your knees. So much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be in touch with all of our videos coming up. And check out our previous syllabus of Cha-Cha-Cha basics. See you at the next one. Star.